Yo! And welcome back to some more Adore. So, I was planning on starting from where we left off last time, but when I entered the game, this is what popped up. So Draknar is talking to us. Are you not listening to anything I say? How can you be so reckless with something so precious? Take better care of the life I gave you. Okay. So, it seems with this game you have to actually see a whole, basically a whole run through, which is interesting. So this time around, I thought that we might try and actually go through a whole run. So yeah, oh yeah, I move around with the right click in this game. I kind of forgot about that. So yeah. We can just see what we earned over here. Unlock mechanics, so we have one shard. There's nothing. We can deposit it. Oh, so we need 3 to actually unlock something new. Alright, cool. Let's just enter. And see. So we start from the beginning. I'll try and just rush through it all. There we go, got you. Oh yeah, I can't do that. I don't have more than 1 slot right now. Whoa, what's in there? Maybe I can't go through there yet. Oh, hello there. Nice. Area cleared. Oh, okay. Special energy stone resets the Adore's captured creature specials. Okay, cool. Left shift. No. What's the map key again? Options, controls. Open map. Yeah, tab. Alright, cool. So there's nothing special in here. So let's just move on. But yeah, I thought I'd be playing some Adore. It's like 1 PM right now. So, you know, perfect time to play some of this game. My stag here is taking quite a bit of damage right now. This thing is pretty hard to kill. Yoink. Oh, okay, there we go. Good hit. Bonk. There we go. I love the combat in this game, it's so unique. Very cool. Alright, so we get a healing. I don't really need it, but yeah. We can pick a thing. Max stamina. There we go. I love having stamina in this game. So, that's the thing. We just did that, and we can adore at this shrine. I'm gonna unlock a second one, so I can actually have some synergies and DPSs. I need to actually learn, like, the different animal types, like in basically like in Pokemon, but they have a lot more types though. So come on, there we go. Got that one. Wait, options, controls, creature panel, C. More info. Bleed upon enemies. Okay. Zella gains more damage. Okay, so we should definitely get an arcane beast sometime. But I do like this one. I think that's arcane. Can I just like... You know what I'm gonna do though? I'm just gonna have my guy out here. Okay, maybe I can't. There we go. I thought I could do something like that. How do I, like... Oh, I got a key. Nice. Like, unsummon my things. I guess I can't. Well, I should be able to somehow. Like, if they die, or something like that. nature creature attacks, Zella gains extra energy. Okay. Yeah, let's get more beast slots. That'd be cool. So there's a chest up here I can unlock because I just got a key. Which is pretty cool. We didn't get a key this early. Wait, was that Arcane Abu? Okay. Nature. Gains 3 extra attack orbs. Cool. So I have... Oh, it shoots things. Oh, it shoots a lot of things. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so we have basically someone to stun with, and then a big hitter, and then a ranged one. Cool, cool, cool. So let's go up here and explore the rest. The yellow one is the shop, if I remember correctly from last time. Let's try and level up our ranged character. There we go. Oh, no, he is way too short. There we go. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. It's like 3 or 4 shots per beast. Oh, hello there. Yep. Very nice. I do have a dodge. Okay, go for it. Oh, they keep running away. So they're like stuck in one area, basically. Yeah, these guys are tough. Go for it, Stag Boy. There we go. Oh, that was a cool attack. Let's get more stamina, because we have like 3 beasts right now. Ooh. This one resets our creatures' things. That's the boss room. We don't have a lot of money either, so... But I can check out the shop. Just to see what we can get from it. Alright, we have some new items this time around. The heart increases a door's maximum health. Chalice of Whispers. When a captured creature receives fatal damage, it automatically recalls and fully heals. Okay, so it's like a respawn. That's a map, so yeah, not really anything special in here. Let's just keep moving. We didn't get as much money as we did last time. So yeah, did we go to this one? Yeah, we did. Okay, let's go to the boss. I don't know if it's the same boss every time, because this is still an early access game, if I remember correctly. They do have a roadmap though. So yeah, no, it's a different one. Oh my. Okay, he stuns. He stuns a lot. Go for it. Yep. Shoot him. And heavy hitter. There we go, cool. That's not gonna hit. Oh, that hit though. Okay, go for it. Very cool. I love having a ranged guy, but I just need to find out the exact range, because... Yeah. Very cool. You go stun. Nope. Ooh. Well, that was a big hit that he just took. Cool. Easy. Nice. Yeah, my range guy is really helpful. Oh no, that was fatal damage. Alright, let's go for it. Ow, that was a stun. Nice. Let's just keep our ranged guy out here, since this boss is mainly oh boy, melee focused. Let's regen our stamina a bit. I've taken quite a beating here. Ow! Oh my god! No! Beat him. There we go. Okay, that was hard. That was really hard. Definitely harder than the last boss, I think. Yeah, let's get more health, because I want to survive this. But yeah, next area. So there's only 4 areas in the game, it seems. But this is the Ancestral Graveyard. Oh, is that a... That's a ranged one as well. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay, these are very hard to dodge. Boom. There we go. Mine's stronger. It seems. Can I go through here? No, definitely can't. My character will move anywhere I click, though. He won't just like run into a wall. But these guys are not pleasant at all. Yeah, I don't want to lose my guy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Go for it. There we go. Yep, you too. There we go. And you. There we go, you got juked. Yeah, this area seems a lot more intense. We do get some health though, which is nice. Yeah, we can just go through here. Nothing special in this area. We do have two things where we can adore the statue form. Oh, hello there. Ow, that hurts. I want you though. There we go. Yeah, these animals are hard. What are you? Okay, you're that. There we go. Yeah, I've got some damaging combos here. So there's one more animal in here, I think. Or two, maybe. I can't open the map either before I've actually... Okay, there's two of them. Cool. Oh no, that's a poison one. Okay. There we go. And you. Nice. Got them both. So there is... Oh. Special refill and a new upgrade. Let's get more health. So stamina seems pretty important here, but health is also important. Herder, but yeah, just staying alive. Scratch gains. It's a target. Ab gains. Yeah, because I'm gonna upgrade this dude. There we go. So whenever my arcane guy hits something, our beast over here is going to get more damage. Oh boy. So that one. Okay. The beast one was not necessary there. Cool. Very nice, we got another one. Boom. Yeah, it's pretty important to get that stun out there. Oh, yeah. I don't want my guy to stand in poison. That is very, very hurtful. Oh, that was just a one-hit kill. Alright. I can open this chest. Energy dust. Increase the Adorer's maximum stamina. Hell yeah. Very, very cool. Get more health. Definitely important. We have more money now, so maybe the shop can actually give us something important. I'm gonna Adore here. Scratch deals extra damage per enemy hit in the area. Zell gains more damage. Yeah, sure. Very cool. So now everything is like synergized with each other. I do have a key already, so the door's creature reduces damage from a captured creature's death. Recalls orb speed, and when it hits the owner, increases movement speed. Give it to a creature to increase its level. 35 and 20. I can buy both of these because these seem very cool to have. Do I have enough? No, 25. Maybe I'll get enough. Later. I can teleport back here anyways. So yeah, let's go up here. Basically the last place we have not explored yet. So yeah. Oh, hello there. Very nice. You. There we go. Yeah, I don't want to get hit by you guys. And there we go. That's 2 down. Like 2 or 3 more to go. Go for it. Nope, that did not hit. I want to capture one of those though. Go for it. Yoink. You as well. That's gonna be a... Oh, that's not a kill. Oh, that was close. That's a kill though. Yeah. Nice. Get some hits in there. Nope. Ow. Yeah, you hurt. You hurt a lot. Go for it. That's him down. Very nice. We just got this big boy to go. Yeah, he didn't even hit me. What a wuss. There's still someone here though. I can't open the map yet. Oh. Ooh, definitely horribly painful. Let's put out some covering fire here. Ow, 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 ow. Boom. There we go. It seems the stag does a lot of damage. Covers a small portion of the selected creature's max health. Alright, yeah. Let's do that one. He did seem pretty low. Let's go back here though and buy that health potion. Because the first boss was a real handful. So I'm definitely not banking on the second one being any easier. We do have some pretty cool monsters here to fight with though. So yeah. Alright, we got some calm jazz here. What's this monster all about? Oh boy. Oh, that one seems dangerous. Very dangerous. Okay. Oh no. You're very dangerous. There you go, just take some casual hits from my guy. Ow, that hit. Okay, that hit for 12, so... Okay. He also has a ranged attack? That's interesting. No, okay, that hurts my monsters a lot. Okay, those are... yeah, cool. Those are mines. Not very cool. Ow. Summoned one right on top of me. That wasn't very cash money of you. Ow, yep. And I'm gone. Okay, total score. 8.4k. Pretty cool. We got further this time, I feel, though. I'm gonna go back in and check if I can... because we got another shard from beating that first boss, so I'm definitely gonna store that. Arr, you little fragile creature, unable to overcome a forest. Man, why you gotta do me like this? So yeah, we're just gonna upgrade this one more time, and yeah, I'm gonna end it here for this time. Next run we do is probably when we're gonna go and unlock some more mechanics, because we can store a third one in this. So yeah, I'll see you then. Goodbye.